Application for a letter of credit. To apply for a letter of credit in OMNI, click on Trade on the main menu. This will bring up the Trade submenu. Then, under the Trade Import submenu item, select Import LC. This page shows you all letters of credit that have been applied for previously and their status. Now, to create a new LC application, click on New on the upper right side of the screen. This brings up the Product and LC Templates dialog box. This list shows you all the LC templates that exist in the system. Creating a template and using it later helps you get through the LC application process faster. Select Import LC General from the Trade Product list to create a General Import LC. This will bring up an LC application form which you will need to complete with the necessary information. Note that the fields marked with blue asterisks are mandatory. Now, complete the form with the necessary information. Few things to note though. If the LC is site and you select Search, you would notice that the use-and period information fields are disabled as they do not apply to site LCs. On the other hand, if you select use-ins, these fields become active to enable you provide the necessary use-ins reference information. The currency drop-down list allows you to select the currency of the amount specified. You can also use these fields to specify a plus, minus or plus, and a minus tolerance threshold as a percentage of the LC amount. This button here indicates there's more information. You can click to twirl down additional fields if necessary. Click again to show less. If you're applying for an LC on behalf of a third party, then you will need to provide the ordering party's code and name by clicking the search button to select from a list of maintained parties. Using the search button, select beneficiary code and name from the list of previously created beneficiaries. Alternatively, you can click on the Ad hoc beneficiary button to add a new beneficiary. Once you are done providing all required information, click on Save. This will make visible the Document Upload tab, which is kept invisible by OMNI until you click Save and your information is verified for accuracy. Switch to this tab in order to upload any supporting document such as an import declaration form or an invoice. Now, to upload a document, click on Upload, then Browse to bring up a file dialog box that will help you navigate to the document and select it. Repeat this process to add multiple documents. Documents uploaded are added to this list. You can click the delete icon against a document to remove it from the list. When you are done uploading all documents that needs to be uploaded, switch back to the LC application tab. Notice how the buttons have changed to Update and Submit. Click on Update and Submit to submit the newly created LC application for authorization. The newly created LC application will be pending authorization by a user within your organization with an authorization profile. Once an LC is authorized, it can then be sent to bank for processing by selecting the LC from the list and clicking Send. This concludes the LC application process. Thank you. Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank.